I'm Peter Winter, and I am the producer and test lead for Iron Toad's game Warrior Chef. Initially, I wasn't the producer. That was a role that was being taken care of by another member, but after they left, I took over both roles for myself. Uh, w- as we've progressed through the semester with our project, it's honestly been kind of interesting to see how things have changed. And although we always have felt like we were never really making much progress, even right up until the very end, it's honestly interesting to see how everything falls into place. And it was a long, rough road to get it to where it is now. But honestly, this was very much an experience that I'm glad I had making with everyone, and it's great to see that everyone seemed to have, well, fun making it as well. And my only regret, I would say, is that I wish I could have contributed a lot more, but I hope you all do enjoy it.
Working as the lead artist on the game Warrior Chef for almost a year was just such a cool experience for me. I had never done anything like this before, so it was really cool to see a simple sketch that we started with evolve into a fully fledged game that we can now play and see. I haven't ever really had my art showcased in this kind of way, so to see it every time we play this game, it just makes me really, really proud of me and my team and what we accomplished. It was really cool to see that my peers and I all had skills that were unique to us, so to come together and combine them to create just such a cool game, it really just shows us what we were capable of, and I was really happy to be a part of it.
Hello everyone, my name is Jerick, and I am the animator for the game Warrior Chef. I am responsible for animating the main characters for the game. Whether it is the enemy monster or the player, the animation falls on me. My role exactly is to put life on the characters, making them move. First, I got sprites from our artist and using Unity adding animation to it to make the player move like human, teaching it how to walk, run, and during combat to fight. Putting animal-like movements to the monsters and making them move more natural. Once I done all of that, I then send it to our coders to be implemented to the game.
I'm Kyle. I was one of the programmers for Warrior Chef. I joined the group Iron Toad in the second semester of the game's development. The rest of the group had the framework for what they were after, and I was there to help assist the vision along. I was primarily in charge of all code-related things that didn't involve enemy AI or player combat. So I did the level generation, the map, town, save system, and all the other odd UI stuff. We ran into a few bugs, issues along the way, but I tried to make sure to have them sorted out as soon as they were pointed out to me. But other than that, the group worked together well, I'd say, communicated lots, and it was an alright time.
Hey, I'm Eli, and I'm the tech and design lead on Warrior Chef. As the tech lead, it's my responsibility to get the assets from our artists and our animator and fit them all together in the game space. I created many of the scripts and behaviors that would be attached to these assets and helped bring them to life and make sense in the context of gameplay. It was also my responsibility to handle the feel of the gameplay. I was tasked with taking this to consideration and how best to tweak, fiddle, and troubleshoot the experience to create the kind of core gameplay loop we wanted to demonstrate. I hope you enjoy our game.